Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of FP Markets copy trading, what it is, how it works, its main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and why it's considered one of the best in 2025. And of course, for those who may feel that it's not the right fit, I'll also share 3 great alternatives toward the end. So stay tuned because this will be a complete breakdown. Let's get started. FP Markets is a globally recognized multi-asset broker that's been around since 2005. They're known for offering trading in forex, commodities, indices, shares, and cryptocurrencies, all under a tightly regulated environment. Over the years, FP Markets has built a strong reputation for reliability, competitive spreads, and fast execution. Now, their copy trading platform, sometimes referred to as the social trading, is an extension of that same ecosystem. It's designed to help traders, especially beginners or those short on time, automatically replicate the trades of seasoned professionals directly in their own trading accounts. So here's how it works. You start by opening an FP Markets account and accessing the copy trading dashboard. Inside that dashboard, you find a list of verified strategy providers. These are experienced traders who share their strategies publicly. You can view each provider's historical performance, the average returns, the risk levels, drawdowns, and trading style. And once you find a trader like that, you can choose to copy them. After you link your account and allocate some funds, the platform automatically mirrors that provider's trades, meaning when they buy or sell, your account does the same thing in real time. The best part? You remain fully in control. You can decide how much to allocate, you can adjust your risk exposure, you can stop copying at any time, or you can follow multiple traders at once to diversify. Now, let us talk about the main features of the FP Markets copy trading platform. MT4 and MT5 integration. One of the biggest advantages is that FP Markets integrates copy trading directly within MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, two of the most widely used trading platforms in the world. That means you don't need any separate software or external plugins. Everything happens right inside your FP Markets account, and trades are executed automatically on your MT4 or MT5 terminal. Provider and follower roles. There are 2 roles in the system. There are providers and there are followers. Providers are the strategy owners, the professional or experienced traders who share their strategies publicly. They trade their own accounts and make their performance visible to others. And the followers are users who choose to copy one or more providers. You can browse the list of providers, you can view their statistics such as the profitability, their win rate, the average trade duration, and drawdown, and then you can decide whose strategy fits your goals. Transparent performance tracking. FP Markets gives you detailed analytics on every strategy provider. You can see charts of their historical performance, equity curves, monthly returns, and risk levels. This transparency helps you make data-driven decisions rather than just following hype or high returns. Risk control and allocation options. Even though the trading is automated, you're still in charge of how much risk you take. You can allocate a specific percentage of your balance to a trader, set maximum trade sizes, and use filters to control how closely you copy their trades. This way you can mirror a professional while still protecting your capital. There are no platform fees. FP Markets doesn't charge any registration or maintenance fee for using the copy trading feature. The only costs come from the provider's performance fee, if they charge one, and your normal trading costs like the spreads or the commissions. And the strategies are of multiple ones, and there's flexible scaling as well. You can follow several traders at the same time, and that means that you can diversify across multiple strategies. For example, following one provider who trades short-term forex and another who focuses on long-term commodities. This flexibility helps you spread risk and potentially smooth out your performance. Now, let us talk about the pricing. To start, FP Markets requires a minimum deposit of around $100. Some providers, however, might set their own minimum investment options depending on the strategy or the risk profile. So, before copying, always check the requirements listed on their offer, because that's the additional payments or fees that you would have to look into. What are the pros and cons of using the FP Markets copy trading? First, the pros. It is integrated with MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. There are no hidden fees. The cost structure is transparent. You only pay for what you use. There's high transparency. You can view all provider performance data before committing. There's strong regulation and credibility. FP Markets is regulated by multiple authorities, giving traders more trust and security. And it is scalable. As you gain confidence, you can follow more providers or even become one yourself. What are the cons? Performance is not guaranteed because even the best traders have losing streaks, and past results don't always guarantee future profits. The provider quality varies, you need to know that. Not every provider is equally skilled. Some may take excessive risks or have inconsistent performances. So having considered all this, is the FP Markets copy trading worth it in 2025? Yes, it is. For many traders, it absolutely is. FP Markets has created a copy trading system that combines professional grade execution, transparent data, and full control for the user. It's user-friendly, cost-effective, and flexible. The lack of maintenance fees makes it ideal for small traders, while the advanced risk settings make it suitable for professionals managing larger portfolios. And that's it on the review of the FP Markets copy trading. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore eToro, Zulu Trade, and Dupli Trade. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.